Tell me a bit about what people say about working in a facility like this.
I think it's easy to get caught up in the, in the moment, just looking at how many masks we produce, thinking about the masks that we're having to recycle, thinking about how to reduce waste, like all these things, and not think about the greater impact. But then you go to our website. I remember, actually, when I opened up reviews on our website, it said, take a picture of you and your mask, and leave a review on our website. I was floored. We have like 6,000 5-star reviews, people with their photos, and it's stories. It's not like, hey, I like this mask, it didn't fog up my face. A lot of it's like, here's how like this saved my life, how it saved my mom's life, how I wasn't able to get something and now I can. We post these things to our operators, and they were blown away. I remember showing them this website and just scrolling infinitely the different lives that they have affected. When you're in a room, maybe it's the white walls, the bright light, it kind of like makes you focus on the task.
At the end of the day, you don't know whose life you're helping to save, but you know you're doing something very, very important.